You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in French. Yes, I know, this one confuses a lot of people, French learners. So it obviously means alcohol in French. Now you can see that the H was removed compared to the English, and the pronunciation is not alcool. I know it looks like cool, right? Alcool, that would kind of make sense, but no, it's pronounced as alcohol. Alcohol. So essentially you can remove one of the two O's. Don't ask me why there's two O's, and I think this is just the etymology of the word, which results in two O's there. But it's pronounced just like one single O. It's not even alcohol, it's alcohol. So just remove one O and it makes more sense. Alcohol is how to say alcohol in French. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.